Hi, I'm Mr. Pike. I'm Head of Chemistry. I'm just going to give you a quick outline of what it's like to study A-level chemistry at Penistone Grammar School. The first thing to start with is that we study the AQA board. So if you're interested, you can head to the AQA website and look at things such as the specification and other important documents. So if you enjoy GCSE chemistry in year 10 and year 11 and thinking of taking it A-level, then you'd need to get at least a 6.6 at GCSE Trilogy Science or a grade 6 or above at GCSE Chemistry. Now, why the reasons to choose A-level chemistry? Well, it's a challenging but rewarding subject that provides a lot of key skills for higher education and the world of work. These skills range from data analysis to good practical skills and problem solving. We study 3 strands of chemistry. The first one is physical chemistry, which starts off with very familiar topics from GCSE, such as mole calculations, bonding, and energy changes, which lead on to things such as quantitative acids and bases, calculating pH, and then also things such as mass spectrometry. The second strand that we look at is inorganic chemistry. And this particularly looks at the chemistry of the periodic table, so it looks at group 7 reactions, the chemistry of group 2 and transition metals. The third strand is organic chemistry, and now organic chemistry is the study of carbon chemistry. This has very familiar topics from GCSE such as alkanes and alkenes, but then builds to benzene, amines, the structure of DNA in biochemistry, and problem solving in NMR spectroscopy. For our internal assessments, we have regular home learnings after every topic. These are normally 45 marks or above of past paper questions, and we then have 8 assessments in year 12 and 13, which have 2 or 3 topics joined together. At Christmas time, you will sit a year 12 mock that is 1 exam of 90 minutes, and then in year 12 May-June time you will sit 2 exams, which again are both 90 minutes. At the end of year 13, there are 3 papers that you will sit that are 2 hours long. Paper 1 is a mixture of inorganic and physical chemistry, 105 marks. Paper 2 is organic and physical chemistry again, which is also 105 marks. And then the third paper is the key practical skills throughout the course and 20 marks of any other content. This is finished off with 30 multiple choice questions. All these exams add up together to give your overall grade. Practicals are a key part of A-level chemistry. Throughout year 12 and 13, we have 12 core practical investigations to complete that may be assessed in the exams. During these practicals, we also assess your practical competencies against a criteria. If you pass that criteria, then you, at the end of year 13, will have a CPAC award as well as a grade. We provide a lot of student support in A-level chemistry that is available, such as drop-in sessions on a Wednesday after school for year 12 and year 13, which are regularly attended. And then should students be struggling, we assign a staff mentor who will meet with these students on a one-to-one basis regularly and provide support and guidance on how to improve. Over the last 4 years at Penistone Grammar School, I'm very proud to say that we've had an excellent set of A-level results. In 2018, we were in the top 10% of providers for A-level chemistry and the top 25% of providers in 2019. We regularly get students getting A stars. In fact, we've had 10 examined A stars so far in the course, and the vast majority of students get at least a grade C or higher and go on to their destination of choice at university. Last year, 42% of students who studied A-level chemistry went on to a science course that required them to have A-level chemistry. We regularly get students getting on to do medicine, veterinary medicine and dentistry at the top universities over the last 4 years. So on the screen is some exit survey quotes from 2019 about A-level chemistry. The students say that it is a challenging but rewarding subject, and that the support level that chemistry provide is always good. Other A-levels that work very well with chemistry are maths to help with the numerical demand, physics, which obviously marries very well with physical chemistry, and biology, which will help with the biochemistry. Other combinations that potentially work with chemistry that students have studied in the past are psychology, geography, and computing science. A-level chemistry can lead to a vast number of future careers. If you are thinking about becoming a doctor, vet, or dentist, then the vast majority of universities require A-level chemistry, at least an A or an A star. Then obviously other careers you can do are chemistry, chemical engineering, and it can also lead to law, finance, and pharmacology. If you have any more questions, please email me on the address that's on the screen, or come and speak to me in person, or speak to your chemistry teacher. I hope that you think about taking A-level chemistry in the future, and it is a challenging but rewarding subject at the end.